The LG CineBeam Q HU710PB 4K Smart Portable Projector is redefining what it means to have a flexible home theater. Compact, stylish, and easy to move around, it's designed for anyone who wants a high-quality cinematic experience without committing to a bulky setup. The build quality is immediately noticeable. It feels sturdy and premium, with a design that's portable yet reliable. At the heart of this projector is the RGB Laser system, delivering up to 154% DCI P3 color coverage. That translates into rich, vibrant visuals that pop with every scene. From dark shadows and thrillers to bright landscapes in adventure films, the color accuracy and brightness make the content feel alive. For streaming shows, gaming, or movie nights, this level of color performance creates an immersive experience that standard projectors just can't match. The 4K resolution ensures every detail is sharp, crisp, and realistic. Textures and edges are well-defined, and even fast-moving scenes remain smooth. One of the standout features is the auto-screen adjustment combined with autofocus. The projector senses the surface it's being projected onto and automatically adjusts the image for optimal size and clarity. No manual keystone tweaks, no fiddling with the lens. Setup is effortless, which is a game-changer if you move the projector between rooms or take it outside. Smart functionality is another highlight. The projector runs a fully capable smart platform, giving direct access to popular streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. Navigation is smooth, apps load quickly, and the interface feels polished. It's not just a projector, it's a complete portable entertainment hub. Audio is often overlooked with portable projectors, but the LG CineBeam Q HU710PB delivers surprisingly good built-in sound. The speakers provide clear and dynamic audio suitable for casual viewing. For maximum impact, connecting to a dedicated sound system is recommended, but for everyday use or small gatherings, the onboard audio is more than enough. Gamers will appreciate the low input lag, which ensures fast response times for high-speed games. Combined with 4K resolution and vibrant visuals, the experience is immersive, where every frame looks detailed and every motion is fluid. Portability is where this projector truly shines. Unlike traditional home projectors that require fixed setups, this one can be moved effortlessly. Whether it's a movie night in the living room, a backyard screening, or an impromptu setup at a friend's house, it adapts seamlessly. Despite the compact design, performance is not compromised. It delivers the same impressive 4K visuals and color vibrancy wherever it's placed. Connectivity options are extensive. Multiple HDMI ports, USB-C, and wireless streaming capabilities allow you to connect laptops, consoles, or mobile devices easily. Wireless casting is especially handy for quickly sharing content from a phone or tablet without messy cables. The RGB Laser light source is rated for a long lifespan, meaning fewer replacements and lower maintenance costs. Over time, this ensures consistent brightness and performance, making it a smart investment for anyone serious about high-quality projection. Testing in real-world scenarios shows consistent excellence. Movies, streaming shows, games, and presentations all look vibrant and detailed. Motion handling is smooth, colors are accurate, and autofocus keeps the image sharp without intervention. This simplicity and reliability make the projector ideal for users who want a premium experience without complicated setup or adjustments. In summary, the LG CineBeam Q HU710PB 4K Smart Portable Projector is a top-tier option for portable home entertainment. It combines exceptional picture quality, smart capabilities, low-latency performance for gaming, and a compact, versatile design. Anyone looking to upgrade their movie nights, gaming experience, or overall home theater setup will find this projector to be a standout choice. To get your hands on the LG CineBeam Q HU710PB and elevate your entertainment experience, check the link in the description below. This projector provides premium 4K visuals, convenient portability, and smart features that make it a great addition to any home setup.